Hi, very welcome. In this video, we are going to set up LiteSpeed web server on our cPanel. If you are not familiar, I'm creating a complete guide where I'm basically guiding you on how you can set up a complete cPanel web server. This process is going to be similar for VPS, VDS, or dedicated servers. Okay, if you're willing to set up a complete cPanel web server, this playlist is going to be for you. If you haven't watched my last videos, make sure to watch those videos. So let's get started. Now, before getting started, if you're actually looking for a reliable cPanel license provider, shared license provider, you can surely visit us at hoststrip.com. Okay, at Hoststrip, we offer you shared license for a very reliable price, much cheaper and affordable as per the market rates. If you can see, the cPanel single is starting from just $3 and it comes with unlimited account. If I just show you explore plans, you can just see here unlimited accounts, and this you can just order this. And yearly billing, if you choose the yearly billing, this will be just $3. Okay, and maybe the less pricing. Okay, furthermore, if you're willing to purchase just the LiteSpeed sub license, if you scroll a bit down, you're going to find out LiteSpeed Core X license is here for just $4. I believe nobody in the market is offering this pricing at the moment for LiteSpeed Core X. Okay, and if you are willing to purchase a bundle, you can just check the pricing here. It's just $12. Okay, and this bundle includes cPanel, Fleet SSL, Car Linux, LiteSpeed, Immunifier, Sitepad, Softaculous, JetBackup V5, WHM reseller. And if you choose this license bundle, if you scroll down, you can set up unlimited accounts for your clients on the web server where you are basically going to set up this license. Okay, by default, cPanel has some sort of limits on accounts, but this shared license doesn't come with any account limits. Okay, coming to the part, it always works on VPS, VDS, or dedicated like other providers. We do not live with this. Okay, now let's get started. Alright everybody, let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do, if you have a purchase, once you have purchased the license, you can just click on this button here for exploring our documentation. You can just check the documentation here. This documentation is going to be the same as license command here. Furthermore, you just need to find here LiteSpeed, because for this video we are going to set up LiteSpeed. If you click on view more, you're going to find out this is LiteSpeed Core X. Open this. Okay, this is now done. You can just check the license. This is going to be the exact command. So first thing, we have to SSH the server. You can use Windows PowerShell. You just need to type here SSH root and then add the rate. After, you have to enter your IP address. I'm just going to use the IP address here and enter. Then you have to provide here your basically password. I'm just going to enter, right click and then enter. Okay, so we are in the server right now. I'm going to clear this for you. Now this is a BDX server. Maybe there is some sort of latency issue is there. Okay, so yes. Okay, now you just need to copy this license key, paste this in here, enter, and this will install the whole LiteSpeed. Yeah, you're thinking like this. No, there is a high chance that you are going to again face a lot of issues in this installation. Now this may take some time, approximately 10 to 30 minutes, depending upon your complete speed of your server, depending completely on your server speed. So yeah, thank you so much. Now I'll continue the video after this is done, because we have to do a few more things. Okay, all right everybody, if you can just see, we're in this command and I have to show you how basically this works. Okay, I'm not going to tell you completely, but I'll just give you the overview. So yeah, now coming to the part, after running this command, the whole LiteSpeed will be installed automatically. If you scroll a bit down, this will be like this. Okay, this can take almost 15 minutes. So you have to wait for 15 minutes. Okay, you can just see the license expire date, and here you can see the server IP host name that we set up. And yeah, this is how you can install LiteSpeed. Okay, so yeah, this is only one license command. After that, you just need to go to your WHM, click on this option here, LiteSpeed web server. If you scroll here a bit down on the left side menu, you can just see here, you'll find out LiteSpeed web server. Okay, if you are not able to find out LiteSpeed web server here after this installation, then reboot your server and it will be here. Okay, now here you can see LiteSpeed Apache port. Now these are the few things that you have to find out your way to set up this, because if I try to help you setting these everything up, it will take almost 40 to 50 minutes. So if you just go to the official cPanel documentation, you'll be able to find out these issues on how you can fix. Okay, here you can see, and yeah, here. Okay, so you just need to look at the LiteSpeed official documentation and cPanel official documentation, and you'll be able to fix these issues. Okay, thank you so much. This is basically how you install LiteSpeed web server. I will provide every link that I've used in the description. Okay, thank you so much for watching.